how to use a DoorDash gift card. Using a DoorDash gift card is actually quite a simple task. You simply have to redeem them within the DoorDash app. So open the DoorDash app and this is the type of interface you will see. Then from here simply tap on the profile icon from the top of the screen. It is usually at the top right. Now from here you can simply go to this option that says payment methods, but you can also scroll down a couple of options. You'll see this option that says gift cards. So go to gift cards. Now normally you can shop for a gift card from here, but we are trying to redeem and use our gift card. So tap on the redeem icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Over here you simply have to enter your gift card PIN, then tap on redeem to your account. Now when you tap on redeem, depending upon the value of your gift card, it will be successfully added to your balance, and next time whenever you want to order something, it will automatically be deducted from the gift card balance based on the value that your gift card have. This way you will be able to use a DoorDash gift card. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.